Okay, so now let's look at the annual equivalent rate, or the AER. And what is the annual equivalent rate? So the AER is the amount of interest earned in a year. It is useful for comparing the return on savings account. So each bank will have their own AER rate, and you'll be able to see that, and then you'll be able to select the best bank that offers the best rate. The AER is usually quoted without taking DIRT into account. So we know DIRT stands for Deposit Interest Retention Tax, and it's usually a tax on any interest that's earned, and that money is sent to the government. So your formula for the AER is usually the interest earned, so your interest earned divided by the principal, multiply that then by 100 over 1, and that's usually what your formula is. So if we take the two examples that we've done previously for simple interest and for compound interest, and we take the interest that we earned in year 2. So in your simple interest that we just did, we're going to earn 300 each year. So we get 3 years. So you divide 3 by 900, it's 300 each year. So your formula is your interest earned, which is 300, divided by your principal, which is 3,000, multiplied by 100 over 1. So we put that into our calculator, 300 divided by 3,000, multiplied by 100 to get your percentage. It's going to give us 10, and that 10 represents 10%, and we know that already. Okay, it's because it tells us in the question that the rate of interest is going to be 10%. Now let's have a look and see what happens with the compound interest. So once again, we're going to be taking year 2, and the interest that we earned for year 2 was 330. So once again, your formula, interest earned divided by principal, multiplied by 100 over 1. So it's going to be 330, taken from up here, divided by our principal, which is 3,000. So same for the both examples, and we'll see what happens. So in your calculator, you're going to put 330 divided by 3,000, multiplied by 100, and that's going to give you a percentage. So it's 11. So it's going to be 11%. So the AER is the amount of interest earned in a year. So it's going to tell you how much interest you're going to earn. So the interest rate is going to be 11%. So it's including the interest in it. Where the simple interest, it's just going to be 10% AER. So each bank will have their own AER rate, and then you can select the best one.